Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to your moment of calm, focus, and progress. If you've ever said, I want to speak English naturally, but I don't have time, today is your day. Because you don't need hours. You just need 5 minutes, a voice, and a little bit of courage. This is your daily English shadowing practice with Emily. Whether you're cooking, walking, studying, or lying in bed, you can do this right now. No stress, no grammar rules, just you, your voice, and me. Are you ready? Let's breathe, relax your shoulders, and begin your English journey for today. Every day begins with a new sunrise. Let's start our sentences together. Listen and repeat. I open the curtains and let the light in. I open the curtains and let the light in. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms. Sometimes I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Sometimes I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. I finally sit up and smile at the new day. I finally sit up and smile at the new day. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I make myself a cup of coffee. I make myself a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. I eat a quick breakfast before I leave home. I eat a quick breakfast before I leave home. You see, these are not just sentences. They are part of your real life. When you describe your morning in English, you make the language alive in your daily world. Now let's continue. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes I bring food from home. Other days I eat at a small cafe. Other days I eat at a small cafe. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. Sometimes I like quiet lunches. Sometimes I like quiet lunches. I listen to music while I eat. I listen to music while I eat. After lunch, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. After lunch, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee. I focus on finishing my work. I focus on finishing my work. I take a short break when my mind feels tired. I take a short break when my mind feels tired. When you speak your routine out loud, you're not just practicing grammar. You're building your confidence muscle. Now, imagine the evening sky. Soft light, quiet moments. Let's shadow some relaxing daily English. When I get home, I take off my shoes and sigh. When I get home, I take off my shoes and sigh. I just want to relax after a long day. I just want to relax after a long day. I prepare a simple dinner. I prepare a simple dinner. I watch something on TV to unwind. I watch something on TV to unwind. I talk to my family about my day. I talk to my family about my day. I read a few pages of a book. I read a few pages of a book. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I feel grateful for another day. I feel grateful for another day. I go to bed with a calm mind. I go to bed with a calm mind. Fluency is not about speed, it's about connection between your thoughts and your voice. You're doing beautifully. Let's keep going. Let's end this session with sentences that build your confidence and mindset. I believe I can speak English naturally. I believe I can speak English naturally. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I don't fear mistakes. They help me learn. I don't fear mistakes. They help me learn. My English is getting better with every practice. My English is getting better with every practice. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I am becoming more confident in English. I am becoming more confident in English. I enjoy learning English every single day. I enjoy learning English every single day. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. You just shadowed your full day in English. You spoke, repeated, and felt every word. That's real learning. Remember, English fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from daily speaking. Even 5 minutes of shadowing each day can change the rhythm of your voice and the confidence in your heart. Keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep believing in your beautiful progress. I'm Emily, and I'm so proud of the effort you made today. I'll see you in your next shadowing session. S. M.